Please like the video by clicking thumbs up icon, share and subscribe the channel. Today we will try to learn from non-working laptop components. Let's see ahead. So we have a pile of disassembled dead laptop, which is HP DM4. We bought around 2012. So this went dead last year. So we'll play a game which is of just trying to basically identify various components. So this was the laptop chassis cabinet. This is laptop screen, right? And the laptop was HP Pavilion DM4, right? This was housing keyboard, upper panel with i5 and Windows 7, and this is what basically
The keypad.
yes, keypad or keyboard, right? This goes here, and this is the bus which connects to the motherboard, right? And from the bottom of this there are various components which we disassembled. This was this panel here and this panel here. You have to tell me, this is what?
Battery.
Basically this powers the various laptop components. Either the laptop can get a direct power when it's on, right? So this battery basically provides the power, even if it's power off, gives a backup of around 40 minutes or so, which is standard, right? So this is battery, right? And what is this component called? Full component, this board?
Motherboard.
Yes, this is motherboard. So can you tell me where is the fan?
Here is the fan.
Yeah. And where is the processor?
Okay. So here is the processor.
Okay. And what is this pipe? Cooling pipe, yeah?
Okay.
What is this pipe?
The cooling pipe.
Yeah, it basically is a copper plate over the processor, and since the metal is good conductor of heat, so it helps to dissipate the heat.
Okay.
And this is a cooling pipe. It has some kind of air or fluid, and which takes the heat away from here, and fan basically tries to flow in the air, cool air, to cool down the help sink the heat, right? Take away the heat. Now where is the RAM module?
This,
No.
then this.
Yeah, these two are the RAM chips or RAM modules, right?
Okay.
So do you know how to plug this out?
Yeah.
Try plugging this out. Take the RAM out. Press it down. First press it down and keep pressing down, and simultaneously, yeah, it pops up. Yeah, it angles out and pops up. Similarly, the module underneath, yeah. Now once you put the RAM, how do you put the RAM? First put in the this lower one, right?
Okay.
So at an angle, match it out, right? This is a yeah. Similarly, match out the spaces where it can go, and see there is a
Yes.
yeah. You have to match out
First we
how it
put in
shapes.
the
It's just like a Lego. Yeah, blocks and Legos. Yeah, at an angle, sink in and push it. Yes, there's a flip sound and it settles out, right? So main components are motherboard, processor, RAM, right? And this used to be DVD. Yeah.
Okay.
So
What's this part for?
I don't know. Some kind of wireless connectivity.
Okay.
Right? Where is the hard disk? Let me get the hard disk. This is for remote USB and external
Is
USB.
this the hard? The motherboard has has the main components on it, as you can see. So
Yeah.
this is the hard
This
disk.
is the hard disk. This is a slim, yeah, 2.5 inch hard disk.
Okay.
It's roughly,
Where do we plug and put it?
yeah. This
In
is
the
mounted
laptop?
inside. It would get screwed at some place. It will get screwed in, right?
Okay.
This would get fixed out someplace inside this chassis, right? So this is pretty much about major components of a laptop, right?
Okay.
Okay, hope that was a learning experience. All thumbs up. Thank you.